Hey guys, welcome to MathJoy. In this video, we want to find the value of this expression 24 divided by 12, then times 1 plus 1. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. In this expression, we have this division, this multiplication, and this parentheses. As we know, parentheses has higher priority than other operations. So first we have to handle this parentheses. 1 plus 1 gives us 2. So we have 24 divided by 12, then times 2. And now we have one division and one multiplication. As we know, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So first this division, 24 divided by 2 equals 2. So we have 2 times 2. And 2 times 2 gives us 4. So therefore, our final answer to this problem is just 4.